what's this again?
This one,
Yeah.
caramel get me.
Get.
Surf line.
Surfer. Strawberry surfer.
Surf line.
Inward potassium channels, resulting to depolarization of the cell membrane, decreased calcium influx through the voltage-dependent calcium channels, and therefore you have decreased intracellular concentration of calcium. Alright? What is the effect of decreased serum calcium? You have decreased secretion of
but here we are crying in the back of my car saying it's your fault, but it's okay cause I promise I'll love you anyway. So sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. Yeah, the moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, can't see the future, can't see the past, I can only hope that this will last. Oh, sunshine, never mind, bring me all of your gray skies. Love has new faces, but it's still the same. You may be the one, but it could be a game. It took me too long to realize, oh, that I'm stuck on the ground while you're up in the skies. Oh, sunshine, never mind, bring me all your gray skies. Yeah, the moon never seems so bright.
because the administration of growth hormone, it will not result to increase in height, hence the epiphyseal end plates of long bones have fused, and any increase in muscle size is actually due to increase in connective tissue. Of course, further care of through pin from Pfizer, Norditropin from Novo,
Don't say it so loud, so you don't hear the words that you say that we both fear. I'm still afraid to know what will happen when I let you go. When I let you go.
Good morning. It's been a while since I had a talking vlog, but I'm planning to do another weekend vlog. Today's a Friday and I woke up like 10 minutes ago. So yeah, I am so excited because I ordered something really exciting, and yeah, hopefully it arrives today. It is currently 7 a.m. and I think my class is at 10 a.m. so I woke up pretty early, and this is the status of my order. I've been watching YouTube and I just checked the status of my package. It says it's departed from the facility, so I think that means I'm gonna get it today, hopefully. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Maybe you have an idea what it is, but you have to wait until the end of the vlog or throughout the vlog, because for sure I'm gonna show it if I receive it this weekend.
Sometimes grilled cheese is toasted,
I love that.
so it's a little crunchy. That one looks a little too like, I don't know, like cheese on.
The ovarian plexuses arise from the aortic and renal plexuses.
just studying anatomy right now. I have class in right now. Oh my god, it's 10 a.m. na pala. Shit. I lost track of time. I'm such a fail. Oh my gosh, 10 a.m. na. I have class and hindi pa rin ako naka-log in. Oh bagal. Nandito kasi yung link. That's why I'm opening Facebook. Oh shucks. Buti na lang hindi pa nag-start yung class, but it's cause I got distracted. That's why late ako nag-log in. Ta-da! I bought an iPad 8th gen. It's in gold and it's out for delivery. They actually texted me on my phone. Ayan, mag-start na yung class. But yeah, I had to check the status sa website. That's why I got distracted. But I'm so excited! If you're wondering why I ordered sa Apple website instead of buying in store, it's cause hindi naman sa hindi ako nagmamadali, pero there's a discount, a student discount. I saved 2,000 pesos and then I got it engraved. Okay, and also if you're also wondering, kasi yung problem ko how long it was gonna take, and I ordered this January 19 and today's Feb 19, so 1 month. Pero yung estimated date niya was March 3. So akala ko after 2 weeks pa siya dadating kasi nga March 3 yung originally nakalagay, pero it arrived sooner. So I'm really happy about that. Okay, I'm gonna listen in class na. I'm still having class, but I need to check if okay yung laman. Pero ayan, it came like this. I'm gonna do a separate unboxing, but I need to film it first just to make sure na it's actually an iPad. I'm so excited. I'm gonna listen to class and I'm just gonna do a separate unboxing.
You may now leave the what do you call this? The
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Will hold you responsible for reading through the learning objectives of the lecture. Rest assured that they will all be covered as we go on with the lecture. Let's start with the pelvis. Pelvis is made up of 2 hip bones or coxal bones or innominate bones anteriorly, and the sacrum and the coccyx posteriorly. The hip bones are attached